Hi, we're Trill Lamar from New Jersey, and this is Angel's Company. I woke up this morning, the sun's gray shining in my face. It made me feel like you had never left this place. The dreams I had were all your intention, just another way to hold my attention on you and how you follow. We spoke about the rules and we discussed the guidelines of an angel's visit. Flowers and vines adorn you like Eden's envy, radiant and elegant. You were more than met the eye, and you had a chance to survive. But the thought of an angel's company brought about an end to your misery.